Stadium. A special day here as we look back at the past and a very important game for the present, along with Jeff Lageman and the Hall of Famer, Tony Baselli. I'm Frank Frangie. This is a special day, Jeff, but what's most special is finding a way to get a win for these Jaguars.
Well, no doubt. In the annual Jaguars Legends Weekend, where many former Jaguar players and coaches are here, but this year is special because what I consider the founding father in some respects, Tom Coughlin's going to be the 7th member inducted into the Pride of the Jaguars, a very special man. And Tony, Tom Coughlin has always been about winning. It would be a great day to win.
Got a man at Brian Thomas Jr. 50 into Colts territory, 35, 30, 25, 10, 5, touchdown! Brian Thomas Jr. just went 85 yards. How good is that? And the Jags have taken the lead.
That was flying. You got one play. Never heard the end of that play right there. I ain't gonna count. He was flying. I'd have hit it 22. Yeah, you was flying.
Hey, that big post, it's close. Because he ended up getting running it late.
I know. The post, right? I didn't know it. Those safeties, remember them safeties played low.
Yeah, he was playing so far outside. Yeah. Hit him like with the corner.
Trevor under center this time. Receivers either side, slots to either side. Bigsby the running back. 5-man front for the Patriots here. Play fake, Trevor drops the throw. Looking, fires deep downfield, wants Brian Thomas Jr. Caught! Somehow caught, he's tackled to the ground at the 20-yard line of the Patriots. Christian Gonzalez had great coverage, but it's a 58-yard gain to the 20-yard line.
If you're going to leave Brian Thomas Jr. in single coverage, you're making a mistake.
From a 1-foot line, they handed a Tank toward the goal line. Touchdown, a 1-yard touchdown run by Tank Bigsby.
Let's go. Let's get it, boy.
And the Jags have taken the lead.
Yeah, please. That's what we do.
Drake May, the rookie quarterback, he's 12 out of 15 on the day today. Empty backfield for the rookie. Jags showing blitz here, and they're coming. He drops the throw. Looking, fires deep downfield, and that ball is going to be knocked away. Nice work by Andre Cisco. He came to the near sideline and knocked it away. It's an incomplete pass, and the Patriots are going to have to punt it away. Berger to punt it away. Parker watching. That is a cannon punt.
Come on, Park. You got room. This touchdown.
Parker fields it all the way back at his 4-yard line to the 10-yard line, right up the middle of the field, 20, 25, 30, into the open field. Parker Washington along left sideline, 40, 30, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown! Parker Washington just brought it all the way back, and the Jags have extended the lead. How good is that?
Let's go, Cole! Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! Ah! Come on, baby!
Well, I started to question, should you field that because it was such a great punt. But Parker Washington, once he made the catch, he got vertical and got going at an incredible rate of speed. And there was not one time that he was touched on those 96 yards.
I told you! Hey, you celebrate like you planned that. You did! I've been doing that!
I prayed for that boy this morning. I said, God, get Parker a touchdown. God can't lie. I'm still trying to catch my breath.
Hey, boys! Second down from the 48-yard line of Jacksonville. Dropping is Will Levis. Looking. Fires underneath. That ball knocked away from Calvin Ridley. Jarian Jones did a good job. Calvin wanted interference. It wasn't there. It was a good play by Jarian in a 3-point game under 11 to play. Empty backfield, 3 left. He drops. The Jags blitz here. Looking. Look, he's going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. The blitz got home. Jarian Jones blitz from the left side, and he hit Levis and sacked him inside the 45-yard line.
Hell of a job getting a sack right there, too. That's it, Frank. Exactly what we need.
That is a big play by Jarian. They're not in field goal range, so the Titans are going to have to punt it back to the Jaguars. That's Brian Thomas Jr., 25-20, along the far sideline. He is knocked out of bounds. Back did a good job and then looked up, and Brian Thomas was all by himself. That is a big gainer, 31 yards and a first down.
Well, Arden Key had the flat where Brian Thomas Jr. was at, and when he sees Mac Jones start to scramble, he comes up to play the quarterback, and that left Brian Thomas Jr. all alone.
They run it with Bigsby again to the left side. He gets loose. He's into the end zone. Touchdown. Tank Bigsby has scored on an inside handoff, and the Jaguars have taken the lead with 6:46 to play in the ball game.
Keep running. They're tired. Keep running.
What a comeback by these Jaguars. They had done nothing offensively, and they scored on 2 consecutive possessions, including the first touchdown of the ball game. Cam Little now on for the extra point. So here we go. 4th down and 10 from the 26-yard line of Jacksonville. 14 seconds to play in the game. Empty backfield, 3 to the right, 2 to the left. Shotgun for Mason Rudolph. 4-man front for the Jags. Dropping to throw. Rudolph looking. Fires toward the goal line. That ball is going to be knocked away and incomplete. Antonio Johnson knocked it away from Nick Westbrook-Akine, and the Jags are going to win the game and sweep the Tennessee Titans.
You know, I think the one thing that I'm so happy about with this game is that there hasn't been very many wins at home this year. And for a fan base that came out with the team's record, what it was, and the weather conditions for what it was, you know, they deserved to win and they got it, and I'm glad they did.
I hope I make it to 100. We'll see. See ya.